Ba-dum-pum-pum. What's good, everybody? On today's video, I'm going to show you this awesome little blender with a flip lid, so you can take it to the gym and blend on the go. Stay tuned for the whole video. Ba-dum-pum-pum. So if you ever use a Magic Bullet or a Ninja blender, you know how awesome they are, and it's even better when you have something portable. This is something that I wanted to get because I go to the gym, and sometimes I bring my stuff to the gym and then I have to make my shake, and by the time I drink it, it actually gets all right. So what's good about this? Well, it is designed for people who go to the gym because it acts like a bottle. See that? This is something important if you want to truly make your blender portable, so you don't actually have to unscrew the lid and then accidentally spill it or whatever. This way you can just blend it, and if you're not happy because maybe you did make the shake a little earlier, you just press it again, blends it again, and then you can just flip the lid, and the lid is actually nice and tight on there, and then you can drink right from it. And it's, I mean, that's just so convenient. I really like that. It's made obviously of BPA-free materials. All of these are, and there are 2 buttons on here, and this is the charging port. It's USB-C. You get a cable with it. This is a little cleaning brush that they gave you so you can clean the inside. Now, when you look at the blades and we compare them to the big Magic Bullet, you can see that it's a little smaller, but it's got an extra little blade here. See that? This one's only got these 2 and those 2, and this one, it's got them in different combinations, and it's got these saw blades as well. And the Magic Bullet doesn't, right? It just has the regular blades like these. So that's something that you definitely want to also consider where you're getting it. I wanted to show you another one that I got. This is a bigger version. This is a 450 mil, and I always found that I never actually filled this up to the brim. I always used to get up to about here. That's 300, and that's what this one is. This one is 350 mil, but you probably want to put in about 250 mil of whatever it is that you're going to be blending, because eventually once you blend it, it's going to rise up. This one also, as you can see, and as I told you, does not have a drinking lid, and that is so annoying. The motor only turns on when this arrow lines up with the switch right there. There's like a little magnetic switch over there, so you need to just turn this until it lines up. And the first thing you want to do is you want to charge this. So there is a flap. It is watertight. Put in your USB-C cable. You're going to get a little red light, and then it's going to turn green when it's done. Spec-wise, the motor speed on this is 1800 RPM, charging time about 5 hours, and it works up to 30 seconds in the blending. All right, so we're gonna put some more ice in there. Put some milk, a little bit of coffee, and a little bit of Nesquik. Put this back on. Completely melted, no ice cubes, and you can drink right from it.
When it comes to washing, it's very simple. Just unscrew the base, wash this. I would recommend you washing this as soon as you finish your liquid. Now, the good thing is there is a safety feature that it will not turn this on until the base is aligned with the arrow.
So not only is this a perfect thing for your protein, right? You can just take the scoop, pour it in, but you can go and mix it on the fly. And then during my workout, like say I take 20 minutes to go on a treadmill, fruit or the water settles down, I just basically close this up, press this again, and then it's ready again, and it tastes just as delicious. And this is why I got it. Thanks for watching.